Hi guys, this is Big Phil from Big Phil TV. Once again, I'm back with another short video. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect the Gear IconX 2018 edition to any smartphone or any Bluetooth device. Now, the first thing you got to do is to get into Play Store and you look for Samsung Gear, or you can simply type Gear just like this. And this is it right here. You make sure to install it. As you can see, I already got it right here installed. Now, if you have it already, make sure to open it. As you can see, I got it already because I've been using it with my Gear S3. The next thing you got to do, you tap here, connect new gear. Now, once you're there, the next thing you got to do is to make sure to insert the two earbuds back into the case. Just like this, open it up. You put it back inside the right. Make sure to put the right side, right here, and left on the other side of it. Then close it, just like this, and make sure the earbud light indicator are right on. As you can see, mine is turned on already. So the next thing you got to do is to pop up and the next thing is how to connect the Gear IconX to any tablet or the Tab S3 like the one you're seeing right here. This is the Tab S3 here. So let's see how to connect the Gear IconX to the Tab S3. The first thing you got to do is to turn on your Bluetooth just like this. The next thing, you insert the Gear IconX back into the charging case. Then you close it. You press and hold the Bluetooth button on the back of it for like 5 seconds until the light start blinking green, blue, and white and red, please. Just like this, green, blue, and red. As the light is blinking, you search for the device. And that's it right here, the Gear IconX. You tap on it and it's connected. Now, as you can see, it's connected to my Tab S3, or you can connect it to any tablet, and the same procedure goes with a laptop, which is also the same. Now, let's try out some music and hear how it sounds. So as you can see, or you can listen, it's ringing now, or it's playing from the Gear IconX. So it's connected to my tablet. Now let's move on to the next device. Let's connect the Gear IconX to the Gear S3. The first thing you gotta do is to insert the earbud back into the the charging case, just like this. Put it back in, and you close it, just like this. And you make sure to press and hold the Bluetooth button for like 5 seconds until you see the light blinking green, red, blue. You put it back down. You pick up your Gear S3. And the next thing you got to do, get into the settings. You scroll down to connection. Then Bluetooth. When you're in, you get to BT, which means Bluetooth headset. And you scan. That's it. The Gear IconX, tap on it, and connected. Now you're good to go. You can now listen music from your Gear S3 to your Gear IconX. So when you get into it, get back, get into some music. Let's try it out. As you can hear it, it's playing right now from the Gear IconX. So that's how And you can still control music the same way you do it. That was all about how to connect the Gear IconX to any smartphone or any Bluetooth devices. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out any video coming in the future. Until then, soon to the next one. Peace.